guys, good morning. It is Saturday, about 11:30 Atlanta time. So we're doing something very exciting today. Got the boys with us. Don't mind the back seat. So I don't really know like if I've told you guys this or kind of where this is going into a video, but we are moving into a house and we're actually headed to the house right now just to kind of take a look at things because there has been some work done like the last month or so. Just kind of getting things ready for us to move in. So we're coming to the house to take a look and see how everything is looking. Super excited. I think we're gonna be moving like in the next couple months. So we're just kind of in the process getting things ready to move in. So we're going to check it out. I'll show you guys how everything's looking. Let's show you guys around. I think there's a code. So this is the backyard. It's actually huge. This is the front yard. I eventually want to put like a fence. Coat closet. Bathroom. This is the primary bedroom. Pretty good size room. Primary bath. Toilet.
Oh, I forgot what it's on.
He said there's a little note.
Alright, and then in here is the living room. Fireplace. This would be Kieran's studio slash office. And here is laundry room. Pretty good sized kitchen. There's normally like an island right here. Paco, what do you think? This is your home. You like it? So to the right, I think this is gonna be like our guest bed, closet, bathroom, our bedroom here. And this is gonna be my office studio. So here's the other bathroom, they connect. Hey guys, what's up? This is future Alyx coming at you, doing the editing on this vlog house tour. I just wanted to wrap it up because at the time I did not properly wrap up the video. We are officially living in the house, so a lot has happened since this footage was recorded, but wanted to kind of just show you guys a very raw tour, unfurnished house tour. Of course, it looks different now that we're living in it. We got, you know, all of our appliances in the kitchen and everything. But like I said, at the time, there was still work being done in the house, and that's why things kind of just looked unfinished and unsettled. But I wanted to just share it with you guys and kind of show you the process that, you know, has been our process moving into this house. But we definitely will have more footage and content soon of the house, furnishing it, of course. There's been so much that's been going on in our lives. The house has been kind of put on the back burner as far as like getting things furnished. Of course, more to come with house stuff, but hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to give it a thumbs up if you did. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. I will have a lot more content coming soon. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.